Hi LEGO fans, Brick Mockery here with another LEGO MOC. Today I bring you one of my rare 8 stud wide builds. This one is the 2015 Nissan GTR LM Nismo race car. Um, they did this one shortly after they did the crazy looking Delta Wing race car. It was kind of a triangular three-wheeled, almost, it was four wheels, but it looked like a three-wheeler the way it was shaped. Somewhat like a Saturn V rocket type of car. This one's 2015 is kind of the newer iteration, taking some of the design and the things that they learned from that project and putting them into this version. It's a pretty cool car. Did pretty well, but didn't race a whole lot. They ended up not running the program for too long. And then I did a little bit different wheel treatment on this one, just than what is on the rebrickable page for the instructions. But I do show it with that, and it's a pretty simplistic way to do the wheels to get kind of that inner different color variation with a 2x2 round plate, and then you kind of put the Speed Champion wheel inserts over that, and then connect the plate with a couple other plates to the axle pin itself. The build's pretty cool. Fairly straightforward. You can see that it has the exhaust pipes in the middle, like the real car does. And it does fit one minifigure. The front part and the rear wing right here, the central plane, are kind of the neatest part to put together on it. Otherwise, it's pretty solid and straightforward build. These wing pieces back here are a little finicky because there's just the one connection holding them on. But as long as you don't grab them by there or kind of hit that, it'll stay in place. But it's really cool. Rolls really nicely and will fit in with any kind of Speed Champion racing kind of play that you do. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. And again, this vehicle is available. Instructions for it are available on Rebrickable. So check out my page in the link below. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you have a great day.